Welcome to the Sugar Freedom channel. We're going to learn how to make pork roast in the oven. Your ingredients are a 2 to 3 pound pork roast, a teaspoon of butter, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of dried thyme leaves, salt and pepper to taste. Directions are: preheat your oven to 350 degrees, grease an oven-safe pan or dish with a teaspoon of butter, put the roast in the pan with the fat side up, season with salt, pepper, garlic, and onion powder, and thyme leaves. Put in the oven and cook for 20 minutes per pound for a 2-pound roast. Increase oven temperature to 450 and cook 5 minutes more to crisp the fat on top. For a larger roast, add 10 minutes for each pound. And here's a look at the pork roast that I bought at the grocery store. And here's what the pork roast looks like in the pan. Sometimes you might have one larger pork roast. Here's a look at the seasonings, and you can use fresh thyme if you have it. Just chop up a tablespoon of thyme and sprinkle it over the pork roast before you cook. Now here's how the pork roast looks with the seasonings before it goes in the oven. This is how it looks when it comes out of the oven, and you can see that it's got that lovely crisp fat on top. Here's a look at the pork roast once it's been sliced, and this is about a 5-ounce serving. You can get a free copy of Sugar Freedom at sugarfreedom.com. Like, share, subscribe for more easy, delicious recipes. And remember, be well and eat for yourself.